Agriculture is an industry that is woven into the fabric of so many communities here on Delmarva. It's also an industry that's about more than simple farming. It's about understanding how science and technology come together to create more efficient ways for growers to approach their tasks.
Which is why UMES is getting geared up to host an agricultural showcase that will feature crop and equipment demonstrations, information on seeds and fertilizers, and even state-of-the-art drones. We're excited to welcome in Adam Smith, a crop advisor with Simplot Grower Solutions, and he's here with Barron Rogers, a small farm program coordinator with the University of Maryland Extension. Welcome, Adam and Barron.
Thank you for having us.
Good to see you at Historic Studio D. Barron, what made you want to partner with GlowPot?
Well, this UMES Ag Showcase is our 5th annual event, and we've been partnering with Simplot and Atlantic Tractor for all 5 years, and we're glad to have them as a partner, and this has been a very successful event, and we're very excited.
Okay, so Adam, you are a crop advisor, so
Yes.
what does that entail?
So we troubleshoot anything but agriculture, so whether it be fertilizer, seed, or any kind of agronomics. So we try to find solutions and be the #1 source for growers to help them make better return of investments.
Okay.
And I apologize, Simplot, I have it right now. So at this showcase, what types of equipment are we going to see?
So some of the things that Simplot Grower Solutions is doing, we have a corn plot and we have a bean plot. And we're looking at local research, real farm research, to bring local data back to see what we need to do locally. So some of the corn plots, we have different varieties, which is Brevant seed, Invictus seed, Seed Consultant seed. So we see varieties, but we're also looking at residual herbicide controls because we have issues in our area with certain weeds. So we're using FMC's product with his Xanthan Max, and we're using another product called Cairo, layering in residuals, trying to make the best product there, mix. Also with the soybeans, we're doing varieties also, and that's BASF, Extavo, Invictus, and we're also doing Brevant soybean seed.
Wow.
And we're doing 30-inch rows, wider rows, to try to look at that and manage our weed control there also. We're also doing foliar fungicides and insecticides, just different practices to see how we can get better return of investment and if it's working in our local area.
Oh, that's interesting.
Okay, so the showcase is for all farmers, but specifically for smaller farmers, how can they benefit by going?
Well, one of the things that we like to feature at this Ag Showcase is our extensive alternative crop research that's being conducted. So attendees will get a chance to learn about a wide variety of different types of vegetables that are grown from Asia, Africa, and the Caribbean, as well as specialty herbs, small fruits, and so much more. So they really get a chance to see a lot of different things that could maybe help them diversify, and that could certainly bring profits as well.
Yeah, so I know that drones are being used for a lot of reasons, and agriculture is a big one. So tell us about the drone demonstrations.
Sure.
Yeah, that's going to be very exciting. This year we've added to our program where we're going to have live interactive demonstrations on the use of drones and other precision ag tools and equipment. One good thing about drones is that it can help farmers to save time and money to be able to collect data out in the fields, and that's been very helpful to farmers. And Adam certainly can share some other additional things as well that drones will do.
Yeah, sure. So drones also, not only they can do thermal imaging for stress and heat mitigations and things like that, they can also apply fungicides at a lower rate, more direct down pressure for it. So not that we have to run big sprayers through the fields all the time. So that's kind of new and up and coming. So you hear a lot of drones out there, so you get to see some of that. Yeah, and it does take some thermal imaging and pictures like that for plant health and such. So.
Well, a lot can be learned at the Ag Showcase,
Yes.
so we're going to tell you where and when it is happening. It is
On August 6th, it will be from 8:30 to 3 p.m. We invite everyone to come out. It's a free event. Lunch will be provided, but registration is required.
Nice.
okay. Thank you so much for being here, Adam and Barron.
Yes. Thank
Thank you for having me.